There we go. Just how I wanted it. Imagine they slap an 8-pounder. Be sick. Birds, sea robin. Big. Hey Connor, remember when we said we wanted to catch one? Yeah, we on the big meats. Yeah.
Did you? No, I don't have it. I don't get
Stone.
Alright. Never done this before. Saw it in a video 2 minutes ago. Hopefully this shit works. Oh God.
If you look to your right, you'll see me mangling porgies. Just kidding. Fire cuts only.
Look at it. Look at the meat.
Pull it. Pull it.
Look at that.
Pull it.
I got it. I just gotta cut this little piece off.
Oh!
Told you. Look at that.
Yeah, the blowfish name didn't go in vain.
Perfect.
Chicken of the sea, Bob.
There we go.
Of the sea.
Chicken feet are salad. Goliath grouper standing at the door.
Shit.
And there's another species running around somewhere. What is that thing?
Get the hook. Get the gas. Get the gas.
Oh my God. Alright, we just got done cutting the fish. I didn't do the best job, but it's alright. I got Fluke fillets here. We got one 20-inch fish, so we got 4 fillets. Bunch of porgies. We got one little blowfish right here. And then we kept one small sea robin right here, which is barely any meat. We should have kept more. We caught like 1,000 of them. But we're all set. We're gonna put some salt, pepper on them, and we'll see you at the grill. Open them flaps.
Hold up. What you know about this? It's fresh. Alright guys, so we're back at the grill now. So what we're gonna do is we got the porgies over here, these two. Over here we got sea robin and blowfish, which me and Anthony have never had either of these, so this is gonna be fun to try. And then we got the fluke going here. So we're gonna do at least 3 of them. We don't know, we might do all 4. But we're gonna do fish tacos. They're all the same. We cooked them exactly the same. We just put some salt, pepper, lemon, and I think some like garlic powder stuff. So we'll see. I don't know. Might not be the best because we aren't chefs. But hey, we're gonna see how they are. We're gonna give you an honest review. Alright guys, so here we are. We're about to do the taste test. So we got blowfish here. Billy, chill out. Sorry, the dog's trying to eat the tacos right now. But we got blowfish. This is porgy, and then we got fluke. So we're gonna do all 3. We'll do. You want to start with the blowfish?
Yeah.
So Bob, our friend Bob here, he's gonna do a taste testing for Anthony because he's had most of these fish anyways. So
I've never had any of them.
We'd let him do a guest appearance.
All right, guys. Tell me how the blowfish tastes.
We'll start. All right. Bob, cheers.
Looks like a taquito.
Yeah, well, the
Size
wasn't a
of a
10
taquito.
pounder.
It's not bad.
What we thinking?
It's not bad.
It's good?
Yeah.
Is it white meat?
Yeah.
Obviously.
What?
You gotta describe it. You gotta describe it. You gotta describe it to the viewers.
Honestly,
It's a little dry.
yeah.
You agree?
He cooked it, so. No, honestly, I feel like it's good. I'm not just saying.
It's not bad. No.
Honestly,
Can you compare it to something?
The problem is that there's not a lot of meat because it was so small.
We're getting mostly tortilla.
And it's mostly tortilla and cheese, so it's really like, you know.
Next.
We'll do Porgy next.
Porgy next?
So this is a Porgy.
This is the Porgy?
Yeah, it's a Porgy.
You got a lot of porgy in here.
Yeah, well, we caught.
Caught 45 Porgies.
Definitely different. It's good though.
The lemon pops on that one.
Yeah, this was good.
Does the fish taste different?
This one was seasoned well.
It has a weird,
Well, like I
almost
said,
corn taste to it too.
well, that's tortilla.
Oh my god.
No, I'm not kidding though.
No, well, it's just because I feel like the Blowfish we just didn't have a lot of it.
Yeah, we
So I
gotta
was
catch
just
more.
eating cheese.
We got lucky and caught one, so we just kept it.
Yeah.
You probably need to catch more.
But no, this is good too. We'll do a Fluke next. The people's favorite. This should be the best. But we'll see.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Juicy. Juicy.
Good?
Delicious.
Really?
Fire.
Salty bucket
Describe it,
original.
Bob. Bob, describe it. Chicken?
No,
Flaky?
I'm not.
Mild? Sweet?
Definitely flaky.
Moist?
Yeah, it's
Succulent?
You know what? It's. I feel like it's tender. You know, it's nice. It's,
Tender like a steak? You guys suck at describing fish.
I mean, they're good.
How succulent.
this you really taste the lemon on.
Yeah, this is good. Well, I bathed it in lemon. So.
Yeah.
We could be describing the fish.
I know, they're describing-
We're describing the fish, not the seasoning.
Just talk about the flavor of the fish.
This ain't really a great review.
Yeah, you guys butchered that bad.
It's weird. I'm not Guy Fieri.
It's pretty good. They're all pretty good. What do you rate it?
Oh,
The Fluke's definitely the best.
Think
The
so?
Fluke. Yeah. Cooked to perfection.
Then
the
what?
Fluke was cooked to perfection. Then the Blowfish was good.
So you're gonna go.
That was
you're gonna go Fluke, Blowfish.
I don't know.
Porgy.
I think so.
Can I get my
I
taste
think
test?
so.
Well,
Porgy. Any bones?
no.
Not yet.
Flayed to perfection.
Flay job was amazing. Honestly, based on just this, like, I might have to go Porgy.
Oh, you're bugging.
No, Porgy, Fluke, and then Blowfish.
Fluke was
Even
definitely
though I like Fluke way better than Porgy, but I'm just talking about just
Fluke
these
was
type of
definitely.
things. Overall, Fluke is definitely way better, but right now, the Porgy just.
I think I'm picture for
I'm not even gonna lie.
Really? You should have kept all of them, man.
They're mad good.